Hey everyone. So, if you're trying to keep track of your business appointments where you are following up with clients, you're receiving money, and you are trying to figure out where is the next place that I'm going to and what time, this spreadsheet can help you completely stay organized. So, this is available in Google Sheets and Excel, and I'll show you how it works. So, what we want to do here is we want to put in the customer's information, so their first and last name, their address, their phone number, their email, and then this is where you're going to confirm the status of the appointment. So is it pending, reserved, confirmed, canceled, or complete? So let's say it's complete. The price of the appointment. So say this is an online coaching session, or say you're going to go into their home and clean their house. This you can put the price. So say it's $150 for the appointment. You can put the description here because it helps you to jog your memory about what the appointment is about, or if this is a standard thing that you do. So say this is a new consult. This you can put the frequency in. Are you going to meet with them monthly, weekly, or just one time? So this is your first one-time meeting. The appointment date, we're going to double click and choose the date. The time, so we're going to come in and put 6:30 p.m. What's the location of the appointment? Is this an online meeting? Is this in their home? Or are you meeting at a coffee shop? Let's just put street and city name. How much have you received? So say we've received $150 from them. They paid on time, so they paid on the 15th. And then you can check off whether or not you have sent reminders. Have you sent them a post-appointment thank you? And have you sent and requested feedback, and have you received feedback? Any notes here about the client? Do you need to set follow-ups? Is there anything that you need to do before the next appointment? So any of that can go there in the follow-ups. This will also track how much money you've received. So everything in column M will go here. How many appointments have you completed? And then this is a master schedule. So, this appointment tracker has lots of details on it. But if you want something simple, you could print out or share with other clients. If you have other people working with you and you're tag teaming, you can put which employee is going to be at the appointment at that time. So say it's going to be me, the client's name, what's the type. So this is the new consult. This is going to say this is going to be online. What's the date? What's the start time and end time, and then the price. So that way you and your staff can be on the same page about who is doing what during that time. So that's how this works. Again, this is available in Excel and Google Sheets. It's available on my website, savvyandthriving.com, and I hope you have a wonderful day.